Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce the VECELO Round Side end table, a versatile addition to any home with its removable fabric storage basket and tray top. This stylish table, available in a vibrant yellow, is crafted from anti-rust metal, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, whether in your living room, balcony, or even as a laundry basket. Its user-friendly design requires no tools for assembly, thanks to the plug-in structure of the tray and stands, ensuring an effortless setup process. The table's 4 legs are reinforced with X-shaped rods for enhanced stability, and each leg is fitted with non-slip rubber pads to protect your floors and reduce noise. Lightweight and portable, this table can easily be moved from your garden to your bedroom or next to your camping chair, offering functionality wherever you need it. With VECELO's commitment to customer satisfaction, you can enjoy peace of mind with professional service before and after your purchase. Don't miss out on this stylish and functional piece that simplifies your life and enhances your space. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.